Okay, sorry about that, folks. Camera closed on me. That's been tough. A little difficult. That's gonna be 2 videos now.
Right?
I don't know how I'm gonna edit it. It's gonna suck.
Back here is trouble. Come on, can't fall on the back high. You get hurt. This one better to do, but if it's not, I'm
Still can't see her.
$30.
Hey. Oh, no, I don't got enough light. I can't see her. Oh wow, that's cool. That's decent. Ooh. Yeah, that is. I don't know how I'm gonna do this now.
What's the name of it?
That's pretty good. Wow, that's cool. Neighbors have got some good ones.
I like when it was going like this.
I can't even see that one.
Well, dog that way for that. It's still covered.
Right?
We're waiting.
You might have let you say that. I'm waiting.
Go up there pretty good though.
Yeah, that's all they do.
That's about all they have.
Yeah. Zoom.
I don't know where your drink is,
I ain't
girl.
figured out where's Laura's all her fireworks that she said she
Laura. Oh, over there. Yeah. They set all back in the and as I wait for everybody else to do theirs,
You
then
think
I'm
Dirty
going to do
Bedford
theirs.
was a good creek.
Yeah. I'm heck with time recording this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still down here in the fireworks and I think
Fireworks. You couldn't hardly see them, but man, it was cracking boom.
Wow, that's hard to chase it. Keep up with them.
Bye-bye.
I have to get me a better camera.
You know, I was going to buy that GoPro 3, but I'm glad I didn't now.
I don't think I'm going to get me one.
I don't think you can zoom with them,
That's
can
smart
you?
of you.
I don't know. I can use it for other stuff though.
Huh?
I can use it for other stuff though.
They don't need to put that stuff on the ground.
That's trash.
I don't think it takes a memory card like this one does.
Yeah, it takes an SD card.
Oh, maybe it does.
My
Oh,
phone. Yeah.
I gotta get a bigger one. This one's.
What I looked at was $3.99, and then I read a review on it, and then I don't want it because the video and sound's no good.
Oh, yeah. There's certain ones you gotta get. I guess I better do some research. I'll get on YouTube and find out which one's the best one to get.
Let me know.
Yeah.
smoke. Take that, machine.
Oh, kidding.
Where you going?
Motherfucker.
You going with Grandma? Here she comes, Grandma.
No, she can stay here. I'll grab her jacket.
Come here, Hula. We're starting the academy up there. Dolphin Police Department.
You go see Papa?
They're getting some damn mosquitoes and non-alcoholic and they bite out the lights and stuff like that.
No, I missed it. Hunger.
Yeah, so did I.
Yeah. All right.
One bit. Bryce, you gotta let us know, man. We're trying to record this shit.
Yeah, this is it. I guess I can't really complain. I didn't buy any.
Maybe.
I know, isn't that?
I'd have bought a hell of a lot of things.
Wouldn't-
Gotten what I thought I was supposed to get from long-term disability.
Yeah, and if I wouldn't have wrecked my bike and broke my foot, I would have had money. I would have been still working.
I was supposed to have gotten 1860. Now all I get is $76 a month instead of 1860.
Oh, at least you're getting
That's
something.
nothing. Must have been a little dick because I didn't feel it. Not yet.
Or somebody, never mind.
I take what I get from Lazy Boy, Social Security, and 7 cents money. I still bring home over $2,000 a month, and I don't have any fucking taxes taken out. It equals out to about $23,000 a year. I don't work.
Yeah.
I make around $23,000 a year. That's not a lot of money compared to $46,000. And it's not 46% of my or
What you
6%
got?
of my wages.
Is it empty?
My biggest thing is
Yeah.
whether to fish that day, whether to shoot that day, or whether to say fuck it and go back to bed.
No, it's not. Your grandma's strong though. That's her cigarette.
I didn't realize this had a time on it. And this is not HD. I gotta figure out how to change the setting on this. I messed with it and got messed up.
So that one popped.
Yeah. I didn't feel nothing.
I like that little pup going nuts in there.
Yeah, it's
Polish,
her
yeah.
jacket. Yeah.
Hey, I got your sweater. I don't know what happened to your jacket.
I didn't tell him if the gun shot nothing, dude.
Let's get this thing there.
Again.
Oh gosh, I can't move on it.
Damn, just so y'all live in a valley.
Right?
It's fucking smoky and shit down here.
I know. It's hard to see anything. I gotta get me a night vision camera. Stuff will look a lot better. I do got a decent camera now. And I gotta get a better one.
Hey, can we get those like higher off the ground or something?
Yeah, if you put a brick underneath of it, maybe. And sit on top of a brick or something.
I'll go out there and volunteer my flat head.
I'll be nice.
Walk out there and bend over, stick your ass in there, we set them on in.
Yeah.
That'll never work. We'll have a maypalm out there, bag of gas I got.
Wow, I think Jake's got it worse.
Unfortunately, the back blast is over this way.
Yeah, I don't know if I can.
Flamethrower.
We'll get at least one.
Yeah.
We'll never get it.
Oh, that'd make one heck of a show. Oh, my head's
I
camera.
ain't bought fireworks in years.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy them next year.
Oh, there you go.
That's a good one there.
Better.
Yeah, you can't see because of the trees. Or I would be recording it.
It's like it was lighting
Yeah. Sounds like some Indians or something. Banging on some drums. Yeah. Big huge kettle drum. All right, there you go. Ah, Bender.
Wow.
I wonder how they get that different green and orange and blue. That's pretty cool.
I can't remember. I've seen it on how it was made, and I can't remember how to tell you.
I was up to Ohio years ago. when they close, they always have fireworks about midnight, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Mm.
And they have fireworks that go up and make an American flag. I don't know how in the world they get that done.
Oh, and, it's one of them things that, oh boy. We went to Black Kidding. Oh crap, that one went underneath the car. Holy crap.
Looks like it's my fault.
Wow.
Put it up like the other ones went.
I'm just saying.
It's okay. You guys okay over there? Yes. Sorry about that.
You scared her.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Come here.
That was a wild one.
Yeah, but you shot right up here.
Okay, nothing you can do about it.
No.
Oh, yes, you can.
Come on, Brian. You team player.
I didn't think it fell.
They were still shooting up, too. Were they? They were shooting out, they were shooting this way, they were shooting that way.
Who went under the car?
Yeah. Popped underneath the, yeah. That was, he's lucky.
I know.
I know.
I don't think he realized that it went over or whatever.
Yeah. He didn't.
Grandma didn't mean to scare you.
Yeah, it fell over.
It fell over.
I know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we wouldn't have had incoming.
I just
Yeah.
thought
And then I
that
see
way.
the
That's
fire
how.
underneath my car. I'm like, oh, shit.
I know. I was that, like maybe 5 feet away from it.
I'm the ones that didn't get a sight, it was me and you.
I figured if it was gonna blow and then I was gone, the breeze gonna take us off.
I was going to say, man, that's fucking cool. It's coming right at me.
We're in 3D now.
Hey, where's my glasses at? I say Winnie the Pooh with the little Peter now, my God.
Jeez. Okay, this is not in HD. It's getting more time.
My jacket on. I'm getting a little nipply.
I'm gonna take some of that.
That was Nancy's
Yeah. There you go, I got it. They're all falling at different heights and trying to get them all for you guys. That's cool. I wish I would run my tripod.
What that one was. That one's pretty cool.
Yeah, that one was.
That was a good dollar spent.
That one was.
We can all tell who's got the kid in their system still. That boy, Bryce, get out there and burn your ass.
No kidding. Oh, sitting chairs.
Wait till the grand finale. There's going to be 3 of them out there.
The other year.
Wow.
Please.
I'll put the grand finale at the beginning of my video then. Wow, that's awesome.
Cool.
That was
Got
cool.
some color to it.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Expensive as hell, too.
Wow.
I like
rifle right next to my head, but it's still
Pay that price.
They don't have much to kick, does it?
That's what Kyle was
No.
getting. I was
The first one probably
I
didn't.
know, Bryce was like,
It's
"I
like
really
that,
love
Kyle,
this." I'm
because
like,
I got a limb saver on it
They
before
had
that.
collar to 'em.
Oh
You know,
yeah.
Like
it
Bryce
hurt
did
you.
a mattress and nothing.
Oh.
Everything.
Oh yeah, before you change. Oh
I like
crap.
it. It's like an angle through here.
Yeah.
The wood wall pad that used to be on it was like a brick. And
Just
when,
ain't quite loud enough.
when it hit your shoulder,
Not loud enough. Okay.
yeah. But I went and spent $35 on a limb saver rubber pad
Probably would
on
have had
it,
color in it.
and you don't even feel the recoil on it. Well, that's the best time of all is when your
Alright.
friend that
Don't tell him
was
Bryce,
sitting
he'll
on
be mad.
his knees and pulled the trigger and pinned it on his ass.
Yeah, he'll be mad because you're drinking this pop. Oh.
You had to pin it down when you were shooting. Actually, I thought you were going to when you pulled the trigger, but you had him in it good. He went for a fight.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, the tree's in the way. Sorry, folks. So, make it move with moving the camera. Like a blue light that you see? It's a pole light. Make it move. I just want to move my hand.
Well, there's more people shooting them off out here than there was in the city.
Yeah. UFO.
Oh, I'm done. I ain't going to record anymore.
Did you see it? Or that
I
one?
gotta quit. What's that?
Yeah, I'm thinking about the stopping and using the
Let
rest.
me know when the grand finale because I'll start my phone back up. It's going dead.
Oh man, he's not even 2 feet away from me and I can't even see him. There I can when he does that. See a little glimpse of him.
I'm not aiming it at him.
Take one of those tubes out there, Bryce, and stick one of those in there and bomb him in the head with it.
Yeah, Bryce.
Knock some sense into him.
I think that's the problem.
Yeah, he's got sense. He just acts like that.
He just trying to get payback.
Yeah.
Right, Bryce.
Yeah. All them years of abuse.
About somebody catching him on fire.
Yeah.
He caught him on fire.
I think he said Bryce and Christmas Eve or something. He said Chris, I think.
That's called silver rivalry.
James,
And Chris.
I think. So I said Bryce, Chris, and James.
Yeah, Bryce James Chris.
Wow.
I get more bang than you do, boy.
Yeah, he's using little Roman candles.
How many of my shirts have burn holes from bottle rockets?
You last
that
one,
good?
baby?
Huh?
You better
last
slow
one?
down.
Is it the big one? Huh?
I don't know if I didn't
Grace,
see.
you're going to take that home. You're going to look at it and you're saying, where's all those fucking fireworks I just recorded tonight?
Probably so. I'm gonna get
That's what I
that.
did last year. We said when Bryce had a tube thing and put a whole bunch of those, whatever those ones are on the long string,
Yeah.
down in like 8 of these tubes or whatever many tubes were on it. And it was like 2 seconds and it was over.
Yeah.
Like, where the fuck fireworks go?
Yeah. So that's probably gonna happen. I'm gonna have to learn how to splice it. Really not too good at it. Still learning how to do it. This will probably take me up
I've
to.
got 2 or 3 programs and I can't do it. Tells you how to cut, so I
Put the
cut.
last one
and
right in
then-
his ass, baby.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time with it.
Yeah, baby.
do it with.
Well, Kyle can get the price. You better take that. That license, go around there.
Wow. There you go. Might not be always nice, a better show. Wow.
I don't know what to do with it. You better just drink it all now. You don't want none of that. Yeah, it's all gone. You drink it all.
Oh, shit. That's
Looks like it, don't it?
Holy crap. That went up pretty good.
Feel better? Alright. You did hiding evidence?
Oh my. Can't you see my hand? I'm smacking the camera and you can't even tell.
Are you hiding evidence?
There you go.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wow. I think
Yeah, full about
I get one of the cameras that have slow motion on it. Make it stuff better. Oh, I got it.
I did in the driveway over behind Jacob.
Huh?
One of the sticks, that stick that just went up, it landed behind you.
Yeah, I know. I barely got it.
I'm never invited. Bums me out.
What you got, bud?
He's busy watching it back there.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it through the trees or not. No, I can't see it through the trees. Sorry about that. I get a lot of blackness. Doesn't I get a little bit of color? I guess we're getting audio though.
Yeah, they're going to have a lot of F words in it.
I know, it don't matter.
See back there. All right.
Most of my subscribers are adults. There's a couple kids in it. I can read it.
I'm assuming I'm going to be able to hold out. Rick, I'm about ready to head home, take my medicine so I can get my ass in bed. Get about hurt. Oh, if I could get Darla to pick over that potato salad in the bowl for me.
If you ask her, she probably would.
There goes Uncle Bryce with the big one.
See if Darla would put a little bit of that potato salad in that pan to take home for me, because I like that potato salad.
I can do that if you remind me.
Oh, I love that potato salad.
You don't like green tomatoes, do you?
I'm not real crazy about fried green tomatoes.
They weren't fried. They were cooked with butter on the grill.
Maybe I should try it then. Every time I see those green tomatoes, I think about that fat nigger.
Dad, I'm recording. Jeez.
That's adults, remember?
Yeah, adults, fuck them. Learn to edit that out, bitch.
I probably can. That's a lot of work to do. It ain't easy.
That's about as bad as trying to get into a virgin's panties. It ain't gonna fucking happen.
It'd be easier just to be lazy and leave it on.
Just put down there in parentheses, I'm an idiot, I can't edit it.
I don't want him to think I'm an idiot. Wow.
That's pretty there.
Yeah, I got
Gotta be a
it.
big one, what Bryce is doing.
Oh, there it is. I can focus in on it.
Close up.
Hold on, back up.
Boom, there it is.
There it is. Yeah, I got that real good.
When he comes back up here and all you see is the whites of his eyes, grab his crotch and make sure they can get the same too. Because he might be in there.
I don't know if I put this on there or not with his dirty mouth.
Man, them are big one.
Yeah. Yeah. Can't see him. I can't even see this one.
I tell you what you ought to do next year when it comes along. Everybody in the village to do it in one spot. Set them all off. That's what we did up at Silver Creek.
Oh, there it goes. What, Bill?
That's a small one.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a small one, a small one. One that's pretty small. Was that like 3 foot off the ground?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Wait,
That
I
was
think
a
I see one get
pow.
5.
There you go. I'll show that one. This better.
I thought that one he took that. There it goes.
Yeah, the neighbors are still so cool. Yeah. I still didn't get it. I couldn't see it.
Smog control.
Yeah, I know.
But if you notice all the smoke that's coming from that and this here,
I thought about
there
getting
is no lot of mosquitoes.
Did you? I
No,
did.
we're getting bit.
Yeah.
I still am a little.
Yeah. I was gonna get the crack me up.
It's cool though. I'm definitely
It
gonna
was.
get
It was
it.
worth the $30 you got spent.
Ula, come over here. Here. What are you doing, bro?
My Harper's back there shooting blood.
Yeah. Whoa, that was
That was a
cool.
fire line.
Yeah, that was
That's
awesome.
quality of firework. Where's my Vicky Valentine at?
Mike over here?
Uh-huh.
We were shooting her gun.
Okay, like the missile.
Sucking.
Oh, they can stop.
Don't move, dude.
I can't see it. It's not bright enough. I didn't get any of that.
It starts approaching, it's gonna go off again.
I know, right? That's what I was thinking. I bet the traffic director out there.
That's right. Put that fucking flashlight in his eyeball. Blind that son of a bitch.
Wake up, right?
You land airplanes too?
That's a big dump.
Yeah.
That was the big gun.
I think he said the sun's coming.
Yeah, you shot
Oh, car's coming.
pretty powerful gun today. I was really impressed. Most people jump back, pull their head out of the way, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah. That's right, girl.
You can kind of see about
Your
that.
dad hunting with me. Huh? Last time when he went hunting was with me. That's 21 years ago.
The neighbors.
He sold his .6. Huh? Oh.
Back here.
get a hold of Kyle. North's got a 308 caliber. I use it in the M60s of the M4 machine guns. That's 30 caliber. That means the bullet's the same caliber as that gun we shot today. The plating on it is God, 10, 20 times thicker than civilian life. I'd love to get a hold of it.
Right here.
Knock them finals out. I just checked the glass. And you put a 300 in there, 77.4 grams of powder, which is traveling at 3,540 feet per second. That's gone.
This is almost
That's not
done.
a pitchfork metal jacket to go through just about anything man put on to keep it from going through them. Because those flak jackets they wear nowadays,
Yeah.
the 7mm won't even go through it. Because it's civilian round. If you get a full metal jacket, real hard copper coating, it would penetrate it.
What are you doing, Bella? Huh, Bella?
There he
But
is.
it's hard to get them.
Yeah.
Hard to get 'em. Oh, shit, far. Come on. One thing
Mhm.
is just taking too long to walk out there.
No kidding. You need to take more than one.
Don't run too much because your britches fall down in the trip.
My blow off is never mind.
Good. That means he'll be tired. Hey, now, you just
That is cool. Well, I can't see any of that. I'm trying to. I didn't get any of that.
You can't see it because of the trees. That's a good one.
Yeah. Everything just pure black.
I bought years and years and years and years ago. It was about this big around.
I don't know if I'm gonna push this
in
enough.
Gobs, those little things that went up and popped and whatnot. I didn't think that thing was ever going to end, but the grandkids loved it. Good Lord, we let that sucker and it just never shut up.
I didn't get that one either. Gee, well, it's not bright enough.
Jake, I'm getting all kinds of good shots with my phone.
No, it's just camcorder. I'm not.
It's a good thing I decided to go see your point. Take it.
I don't have anything.
It'd work in the daytime, not at night. Well, what you gonna record it?
That GoPro does.
Fire ring.
Not if you don't have a light.
Well, ain't a lot of that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking something else. They got a scope out there that puts up
Yeah,
number lights so you can shoot.
yeah. If you get one of those, yeah. I don't.
Yeah, but I ain't paying no damn $3,000 for a scope. Hell no.
I'm not.
If I hadn't ended up like this, I'd probably spend $1,500 for one. It's a Burr 11
You want me to
program
focus in on it?
your
Wow,
caliber,
that was cool. Oh,
the bullet size, like
Well, I can't-
168 grams, and it's a Win Mag, and it'll last
Come
how
on.
many feet per second. And you gotta have one of those phonographs to do that. I ain't buying
wow.
one. You shoot a
I
bullet
can't
through
see it.
And it'll tell you how fast this bullet's traveling feet
This
per second.
sucks.
And you plug it and you put all this into that scope. And 1,000 yards away, you hit that button. And there's a bunch of little red
I didn't get any of that.
One of those dots will light up, so you just put that dot, and the dot will split up. Once you start it,
I can hear the
pull the
boom, you
trigger,
turn
and
around
it
and
hits
look
the
at
drop.
it, and it's already
1,000
gone.
Yeah, I know.
Ah, yeah, I like big bangs.
Shut up.
Said it wasn't loud enough.
Would be.
They're not loud enough, is that what he said?
I ain't gonna get this one either. Almost. Yeah, I got it.
Remember, you were shooting those motherfuckers down the fucking curb? Yeah. Because the tree blew up, right? Down 4th Street? Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? It'd be nice living out here if it was in Missouri.
That night.
Yeah.
Seriously.
We're barely in Oklahoma though.
Comes a helicopter.
I wouldn't mind it actually.
I love that big bang. I saw
They
Jacob.
even got the spotlights on tonight.
What's called
And the things are
about
blinking.
this big mound, about this long. And pull this string, lets off the whistle like a bird. You take the big whistle out, and pull that son bitch back through and throw it. And we got fields maneuvering, I pull that big whistle out and pull that fucking, do it in there like a grenade. And there's 3 guys in the foxhole. When that son of a bitch hit, you talk
Took out
about
HD. It's got more than
they don't
35
want
minutes.
all that damn fox and that son of a bitch went out. Big bang.
Wow, that was cool.
I mean, it lit up that foxhole. They want to know, oh, the fox did that. Get that son of a bitch in here. I'm going to court martial
I'm
him.
not going back over
I
there. 'cause
ran
mine like I
like a son of a bitch. I took one home to Ohio. He lit it. I was with his mom. Pulled it and ran. Yeah. In the news the next day, they said, large explosion on the west part broke out window. That's a good one.
Freaks out windows.
Yeah. It's a big, big fucking bang, man. That's, well, artillery simulator. They want you to know what it sounds like when one goes off.
Nothing like.